my name is Jimmy Clewes. Okay, now I'd like to introduce you to the Jimmy Clewes Box Scraper. I would like to show you how this tool works. Okay, so now I'd like to show you how the Jimmy Clewes Box Scraper works. You can see it's curved away there and there's a slight angle here. There was the same angle there and on this side, okay? And that angle is about 30 degrees. So, the beauty of having this angle here is when we hollow, the bar is out of the way. It's not hiding the cut, okay? I'll show you this in more detail in a minute, okay? So look, let's get to that stage. Hollowing this out, you could use the mate tool, as I said, or any gouge that you feel comfortable doing, okay? I'll use the mate tool, it's in my hand, so I'll just use this. So, we can hollow this out however you wish to do it, whichever you feel is the easiest. You could use a scraper, any gouge, it doesn't matter. Ready to use the box scraper. The box scraper is a great finishing tool. It will give you a beautiful parallel side and clean up the bottom really nicely. And it will give you a 90-degree corner. Okay, I've stopped the lathe because I would like to show you the quality of the finish from the tool. There was absolutely no tear out whatsoever. And also, have a look along the bottom. That is nice and clean. This tool will cut in two directions. I can make it cut down the side in that direction or along the bottom that way. Or if I am in the corner, I use my thumb and I just push the tool across the bottom, okay? This tool will not catch because it is only square for about 0.5 millimeter at the very tip, then it is ground away. If you use a square scraper and you catch the whole surface on the bottom, Nürnberger, okay? So be very careful with a square scraper. This one is much safer. You run it down the side, and if you get this edge parallel to the outside edge of the box, you will turn it perfectly parallel. Nice finish into the corner, angle the tool over just a fraction, and then use your thumb and just push the tool across the middle. It gives you an amazing finish. One more tip, when you sharpen this tool, sharpen it like that. Put your plate here and you will grind off a burr. And it's much easier to sharpen in that position. If you have it like this, the tool wants to fall away. Put your plate in that position, you just put your finger on the top and it drags off a burr. You get a much better burr as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jimmy Clewes. I hope you enjoyed the videos and I would love to see you here at DICTUM in one of my classes. Thank you.